Madami akong egg white sa rep at may kaunti rin siyang egg yolk. Kaya nag-decide ako gumawa ngayon ng egg white. Push lang natin to hanggang sa mahalo lahat. Gagawa ako ng pamerienda ko. 2 cups na all-purpose flour gagamitin ko. Kita ko ng 1 cup na fresh milk or evap milk. Dalawang ganito. Katumbas siya ng 1 cup. Cup na white sugar, 1 tablespoon na baking powder, 1 tablespoon na cooking oil, 1 tablespoon na vanilla, tayo ng so isasalang lang natin siya ng 20 minutes or 30 minutes hanggang 30 minutes preheated oven ng 5 minutes then 180 yung kanyang init oven natin yan. So guys, ayan na yung ating cupcake. Naging cupcake. So ang ganda. Cupcake. So, ayan na yung finished product ng ating cupcake white. With cheese in the top. Ayan. Perfect for this coming holiday, guys. You can try this one. White cupcake egg. So fluffy guys with cheese and texture niya is so fluffy and yummy. Yummy. And the sugar is so good. I mean, not too much sugar. Hindi siya ganong katamis. Ang sarap niya talaga. Perfect this coming holiday and good for business. And if you like this one guys, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow my Facebook page. If you buy something, please click the yellow basket in my TikTok shop. Ang sarap niya guys, subukan nyo tong recipe ko na to. Is easy lang gawin at marami akong egg white na natira sa aking ref kaya ginawan ko ng merienda ko. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!